Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig right here. You can see it's all matted up at the back side. I'm going to show you how to detangle any wig you have that is matted up at the back without having to break the hair or have the hair break off and just end up being damaged. If you are here to see how you can do that, please keep on watching this video. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below so you don't miss any uploads from me. Also, please, you can also support me by following my Instagram account. My account was recently hacked by a former employee. Please support my business by following my business account. I'm going to write my Instagram account on this YouTube page so you can follow me on Instagram. If you can also support me by patronizing for makeup and wigs, please also do so. So right now, what I'm doing to detangle this wig is I am using a tooth comb. This a what do I call it? A tail comb, to just go through the hair in small sections. And if you want, when you want to detangle hair, you want to start from the tips of the hair and work your way to the up part to detangle it. After you, when you've gotten to the up part, you've completely detangled it, then you can go with a big brush and brush through the hair. You take the tip of the comb and keep on trying to detangle the hair from the tip towards the up part of the tangled part of the hair. You want to be as gentle as possible as you possibly can. If I was to wet this hair to detangle it, it might make it break more. Not just it might, it will make it break more. So you want to detangle hair that is straight or wavy while it is still dry, in order to prevent the hair shedding a lot. If it was coily hair, definitely it's going to shed a whole lot if I was trying to detangle it while it was dry. But you can still detangle coily hair even in the wet state. But take note, when hair is wet, it's more prone to getting damage, it's more prone to breaking off. So you want to completely detangle the hair while it is dry before you proceed to washing it. So you can see now I finished detangling the back part of the hair. What I'm trying to do now is just brush through the front part of the hair and making sure that the hair is completely detangled without any mats, any rough parts. See how beautiful the wig looks right now. I can decide to just style the wig and have it ready for the client, but because I know the hair is very dirty, I need to proceed to the next step, which is washing the hair. So I'm just using water now to completely get the hair wet. And while after I wet the hair, I just went in with my brush to just sort of walk the brush through the hair. I got more water to wet the hair. Next, I'm going to be applying my shampoo. This is the brand I'm using for my shampoo. It's a macadamia shampoo. You can choose to use the Tresemme shampoo or any other shampoo you can get your hands on. Apply the shampoo all over your hair. Make sure the hair has gotten the shampoo in all the parts of the hair, even on the inside of the wig, just to make sure you wash the hair completely clean. So while you run the shampoo through the hair, you also want to use your hairbrush or whatever tool you use in brushing through your hair to just walk the tool through the hair extension. And you can see I'm still going back to the back of that wig to make sure that any tangled part is completely detangled. I'm just brushing through it to make sure that the wig is completely detangled and the hair is washed well. Just keep brushing the hair until you get the hair to be as smooth as it possibly can. You can see how dirty this wig is. So I'm just rinsing off the first shampoo which I used in washing the hair. I'm going to have to reapply another shampoo and still wash off the hair to ensure that I get this hair to be completely clean. I really don't know how long this client has had this wig for without washing it, but this hair is very dirty from what I'm seeing here. So I'm going to go in with the shampoo again, and I try to be very generous with my shampoo. And what I love about this shampoo that I'm using is this shampoo is a very nourishing shampoo, so it adds moisture to the hair. It wouldn't dry the hair out like the way some shampoos you use would do. So you want to use a shampoo that is nourishing, that will make the hair feel soft even while you are washing it. You don't want to use a shampoo that will make the hair feel like it's dried out. So while I'm washing the hair, I'm still proceeding to brush through the hair and detangling any part of the hair that might be rough. So guys, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ENL Beauty and at ENL Beauty Hair. Also follow my personal account on Instagram, Linda Ezemidolu. Please share this video with your friend who you think is also going to get value out of this video. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you also leave a comment on the part of this video that you found very helpful. If you have questions, also leave a comment and I'm going to respond to your question as quickly as I possibly can. So you can see I applied the shampoo again, and I'm just rinsing through the hair to make sure the hair is completely clean, and I'm pouring some fresh clean water on the hair to rinse it out completely. You can see the water coming out of the wig now is clean. If when you get to that point, you know that yes, the wig is clean and it's ready for you to condition it. So I'm using the same product that has the shampoo that I used. The Macadamian Deluxe conditioner is what I just applied to the hair while I brush through the hair. After I applied the shampoo, the conditioner all through the hair, and I realized that the down part of the hair needs more moisture. So I reached for a deep conditioner, and that's what I'm going to reach out for in a few minutes when you guys, yes. So this is the deep conditioner. I reached out for this deep conditioner to apply the deep conditioner all over the hair to really get moisture into the hair, to soften the hair, to get this hair to feel like butter, to get the hair to feel as fresh and soft and as new as it originally felt when it was still new. So you want to make sure that when you have wigs that are dried out, you deep condition the hair with the best deep conditioner you can get your hands on. There are various products of deep conditioners you can find available on Amazon. I have links of this product in my Amazon store. So if you want to purchase any of these deep conditioners, click on that link, my Amazon affiliate link, so you can find products that would work very well for your hair extensions, that you can purchase over there on Amazon if you are not in Nigeria, and wherever country you are, Amazon delivers all over the world. You could head over, use that link to buy products. You can see how the hair looks now that I have conditioned it. It looks very soft and smooth. So I'm going to leave that hair there overnight and rinse it off the following day. So after I rinsed off this hair, what I did was I air dried it. The best thing you can do for your wigs is air drying it. Avoid using your hand dryer except you are in a hurry and you don't have the time to air dry it. So this is what the hair came out looking like after I air dried the hair, after the shampoo process, the conditioning process, and the deep conditioning process. The hair came out fresh and new. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to style the hair, and I use that hair wax to lay the flyaway hairs on the closure area before it starts to put some curls on the wig, because this hair is a wavy hair. When you wash wavy hair, it starts to look like a body wave. So for you to get that wavy texture, get that wavy look that the hair originally had, you need to go in with your coiling wand and curl the hair back in place. You need to put those curls in the hair back in place, and that is what I'm doing right now with this particular wig. So what I'm starting with is laying the closure area of this. You can see how I'm gently doing it, making sure that I can get the hairs on the closure area to lay as flat as it possibly can. Yes, lay the hair as flat as it possibly can. As flat as you possibly can. Sorry, excuse my. Yeah, so you just keep on doing it until you can get the hair to be as fresh and as smooth as you want it to be. After you are done with laying the hair on the closure area, you want to proceed then to adding some curls to the hair. I have an in-depth video on how I coil my hair. I'm going to put links to the video of how I achieve long-lasting voluminous curls up right here in this video. So if you want to see how to achieve the best, longest lasting curls on your hair extensions, please watch that video. But right now I'm just going to quickly run through this hair and apply the curls all over this wig rather. So watch how I do it. You can see how the curls look. This hair takes curls well. The hair is very beautiful. I love how it's short and full, and it's really beautiful. This is a very beautiful wig, if I say so myself. Yeah. And take note, the beauty of any wig you have is in how you style it. You can have the most expensive wig, but if you don't style that wig very well, it will still look like you bought it from the roadside. So you need to make sure that you try as much as possible to learn how to style your wigs, because You might not always be able to reach your hairstylist, and you should also learn how to um pack your wigs, or just know how to store your wig, so that even after your hairstylist has styled your wig well for you and has delivered your wig well for you, just in case, let's say, one part of the wig gets bulged, you need to know how you can flatten the closure area of your wig so that it looks as nice as it should look. These things are very easy. That's the reason why I share all of this on my channel here, so you can see how you can do it. So guys, if you're getting value out of this video so far, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, share with your friends who are also going to get value out of this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends who are also going to get value out of it, please. And remember, be bold and have courage, live a positive life. Don't allow anybody, make you feel like you're not worthy, or make you doubt your worth. Just put yourself on the throne. Like, just try as much as possible to just focus more on yourself in life, because really nobody can ever do for you what you can do for yourself. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I absolutely appreciate you if you got to this point of this video. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye. You can see how the wig came out looking. Just look at the curls. I combed it out, but if you feel like you don't want to comb out your curls, please leave it the way it was without it combing. But I felt like I needed to just comb it out so it could have this more natural, realistic look.